Good evening, USA. United States is planning to hike its interest rate by 75 basis points. The strong economic data in June, which has already given 368,000 jobs as compared to the target of Reuters, it is 268,000, and whereas it has overcome the May figures of 301,000 jobs. And apart from that, the employment wage index has already increased by 0.3%. Earnings has been increased by 0.3%, and also the unemployment ratio is 3.6%. So it is 100% sure that the United States is planning to increase the interest rate by 75 basis point. Apart from that, the market is going to fall. It is already showing the trend that market is sliding down, and on Monday we can see a good fall. Thanks a lot. Shubin Chandran signing off. Bye.